In this video, I'll show you how to change your LinkedIn profile URL on mobile. If you want your LinkedIn profile link to look cleaner and more professional, you can edit the custom part of your public profile URL right from your phone. LinkedIn says you can do this from the mobile app by opening your profile, going into your contact info, and then jumping to the public profile settings page. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone and signing in to your account. Tap your profile photo, then tap your profile photo again, or tap View Profile to open your full profile page. In the introduction area near the top, tap the More icon next to Add section, then choose Contact Info. After that, tap the Edit icon in the upper corner. LinkedIn says that when you tap your profile URL from the Edit Contact Info page, it redirects you to the public profile settings page where the URL can be changed. Once you reach that page, look for the section called Edit Your Custom URL. Tap the edit icon next to your current public profile URL. Then type the new ending you want for your link and tap Save. LinkedIn says this edits only the last part of the URL, which is the custom section after the main LinkedIn address. For example, if your current link looks long or includes extra numbers, you can shorten it into something cleaner, like your full name or your name plus your profession. This is especially useful if you want to put your LinkedIn link on a resume, job application, email signature, portfolio, or business card. That recommendation is an inference based on LinkedIn's explanation that a custom public profile URL helps members and recruiters identify your profile more easily. One important thing to remember is that this is your public profile URL. LinkedIn notes that public profile settings control what people outside LinkedIn or on search engines may be able to see. So changing the URL is separate from controlling what profile sections are visible publicly. If needed, you can also review your public profile visibility settings from the same general area. Also, if you just want to find your current profile link before changing it, LinkedIn says your public profile URL is shown in your profile and contact info area on mobile. So you can always check it first before editing anything. So again, to change your LinkedIn profile URL on mobile, open your profile, tap More, go to Contact Info, tap Edit, open your profile URL, then edit the custom part of the link and save it. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.